Hi there world, it's your boy JC, back up here in the Upper West Side, bringing you back another
2-minute unboxing video.
And Adidas continues to give back to the community, introducing the V3 of the 700 in its second colorway. Back in December, they introduced the Azael colorway, and this time, the most confusing, I don't know what to call it, Alvah, one of the two. I haven't been around a lot of people lately to know what it's called, but we got it here. Note, this does not contain boost, but it does introduce a very different color than what we're accustomed to seeing when there's white boost involved in most of the Yeezys. But enough about me talking, let's check out the shoe.
Yeah. Oh, when the time we dropping straight heat. Rough gang forever. Woo! Drugs all on my system, no matter what, I'ma stick to the mission. Dripping all over the scene, I got the fast, snapping the pictures. I got them losing their mind, I'm killing my enemies one at a time. I'm not even close to my prime, don't worry about me, bitch, I'm doing just fine. Heat wave, new wave, the way we kill them don't make sense. It don't matter if it's winter time.